and I'm here to talk to you today about a resource that we have that is associated with our Advocacy and Empowerment program. It is the backpack. For those of you who participate in our Advocacy and Empowerment program, at least 3 sessions, you could receive this wonderful backpack with all these great amenities that will help you when you enter in the emergency department. And here is the backpack. On the right, we have the water bottle. You want to make certain that you have water for hydration, especially when you're in crises. Inside, we have the blanket for warmth, of course. And if they haven't come to giving you any comfort or any blanket, this will assist you during that time. Then we have some adult coloring books. And these were produced by a gentleman who also had sickle cell and has passed on last year. It also comes with colored pencils. So you don't have to worry about where the pencils. They're going to be in the backpack. You're going to be able to just do it, take your mind off your pain. And here we have the journal. And the journal has a lot of information for you to record so that you don't have to think about what you need to record. It's already listed here during your experiences in the emergency department. Lastly, we have some meditation readings. And these are to help you on the way to the emergency department, in the emergency department, while you're admitted in the hospital, and on your way home. So we're trying to make this a comprehensive backpack. If you have any questions about our Advocacy and Empowerment program, please visit our website at SCAASF.org or send us an email if you have questions at crises@SCAASF.org. Thank you.